Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 15. Understand and write 9. Do you know festival of Hindu culture? Dasra, Diwali, Holi, Ganpati festival, Navratri, etc. Correct. For whom we celebrate Navratri? For goddess. How many days do we play Dandiya in Navratri? Don't know? We are playing Dandiya 9 days. 8 and 1 makes 9. 9 days we are playing Dandiya. Which is the 9th month of the year? September. Correct. Which is the 9th month in the Marathi calendar? Don't know? It is Margashirsh. Count Marathi months on fingers. 1. Chaitra. 2. Vaishakh. 3. Jyeshtha. 4. Ashadh. 5. Shravan. 6. Bhadrapad. 7. Ashwin. 8. Kartik. 9. Margashirsh. So, Margashirsh is 9th month. 1 and 8 makes 9 in total. Now guys, sing a song with me. 9, 9, 9, the clock struck 9. All the children stand in line. How's the song of 9? Now, we practice from textbook. What you see green in first picture? These are snails. Count them. 9. Correct. What you see in the second picture? Cats. Correct. How many cats are there? 9. Correct. Draw 9 sparrows in empty circle and color it. Practice of writing 9 with the help of dots. 9.